My name is Shireen and this is my line follower robot made with the assistance of Skyfi Labs. A line follower robot follows a black line en route to destination, and we have four important blocks here. These are the sensor modules for line detection. IR LED emits light, which upon reflection from the surface is detected by the photodiode. A light colored surface ensures maximum reflection, and the analog sensor value would be around greater than 600. Using a darker surface, black in our case, would ensure minimal reflection, and the sensor value would be less than 100. Depending upon the sensor values, our microcontroller at Mega 328P in this case does the decision making. The fourth block is L293 motor driver, which depending upon the Arduino based inputs to it controls the motor, the geared motors in our case, and we also have a 9-volt battery to power the motor driver.